Today we are going to talk about a massive explosion, a heavily guarded American base and a drone slipping through the defenses. Welcome to Times XP's war coverage, and the entire Middle East conflict may have just crossed another dangerous threshold. Fresh reports now suggest that a key United States military installation in the Gulf, it has come under direct attack this time. While the base at the center of this incident is Ali Al Salim Air Base, it is located in Kuwait. It is not just another military facility, by the way. It serves as one of the most important operational hubs for the United States Air Force in that particular region. The base hosts the 386th Air Expeditionary Wing. Basically, it's a very powerful unit and it is responsible for airlift missions, surveillance operation, combat support across the Middle East. In simple terms, ladies and gentlemen, this particular base acts as a launch pad for the American air operations, stretching from the Gulf to the other conflicted zone as well. According to emerging reports, multiple drones believed to be launched by Iranian-linked militia managed to reach the base area, triggering a massive explosion that was heard miles away. The group suspected of carrying out the attack, none other than Islamic Resistance in Iraq. Well, that's a coalition of the armed militia that openly supports Iran, and they have actually repeatedly threatened the American forces in that particular region. Now, these groups often rely on relatively small but deadly attack. Sometimes they are called loitering munition that can fly long distances before crushing directly into their target. In the meantime, witnesses near the base reported flashes in the sky. With that, there were loud sound of air defense systems attempting to intercept the incoming drones. However, some reports suggest that at least one of those drones may have slipped through the defensive shield and maybe struck near operational areas of the installation. Now, if that is confirmed, then this would represent a significant breach of American air defense system protecting one of its most critical bases in the Gulf. And yes, security concerns in Kuwait, they have already been rising in recent days. The US Embassy in Kuwait had earlier issued alert warning of possible missile or maybe drone threats targeting locations connected to American bases. Well, regional government has also been tightening security around airports, oil facility, military bases as the wider confrontation involving Iran, Israel and the US continues to escalate. But what makes this particular situation specifically alarming is the strategic importance of the Gulf region. Countries like Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Qatar, they host some of the largest and the most important energy infrastructure. Major oil fields, refineries, shipping routes, they operate from here, supplying energy to economies across Europe and Asia. Now, any sustained attacks on military bases or oil facilities could really disrupt the global supply chain, and it can send shockwaves through the international energy market. Well, in the meantime, military analysts say that the growing use of drones by the militia group, it has changed the nature of warfare in the Middle East now. Well, these aircrafts are cheaper, of course cheaper than missiles, harder to detect on the radar, and it can be launched in large numbers to overwhelm the air defense system. Even heavily fortified bases, they are now finding it difficult to stop every incoming threat. The result is the region that is increasingly on the edge. With drones targeting bases, missiles crossing border and global powers already involved, this whole conflict is no longer limited to just one battlefield anymore. It is slowly expanding across the entire Gulf, and the world is just watching every single move with growing concern.